Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can change engine oil in your bike. I'm not telling you like you need to add this sort of engine oil or this brand engine oil. It depends upon your bike, and this is the bolt you need to remove in order to empty the old engine oil which is already in your bike. Okay, the previous engine oil you can say. And remember, the whole process is done by the technician only, the bike technician. So yeah, this is not a video promoting that you should only change the engine oil, or not a promotional video, just a demo video you can say, just for the educational purpose. By removing that screw or the nut or bolt, you can empty, but before opening that you need to keep a small tray here so that you can collect all the old engine oil. This you can use it as a grease for your doors or whatever it may be, iron doors I'm saying. This will be used as the lubricant also. Okay, once you collect this, make sure it is completely empty. The important thing is you need to just fix the bolt again. For most of the bike, the nut, all the bolt placement will be here only. The technician is just cleaning the bike so that he'll again fit that bolt, so that you can lock before adding the new oil or pouring the new oil into the engine oil tank. You need to just screw it up tight enough so that there won't be any leakage. Okay, yeah, only two-step process, just emptying, and here at the right side you'll have this cap. You need to remove that cap and just pour this engine oil. Very simple, but this is the whole process is by the technician only, the bike technician only. Okay, not a recommendation video like you can do by yourself, but just want to show you the process, how the actual engine oil will be changed. If at all, if you give it for service, this will happen during the changing process of engine oil. It is, and I asked the technician for how many days we can change it. For like 2000 to 2500, it is better to change the engine oil.